Fox 13's Gloria Gomez says his attorneys want to keep the jury from ever hearing the word psychopath. I wonder why.
Well, the attorneys feel that that word would really prejudice the jury against their client, so they're asking the judge to keep it out of the trial.
It was a jaw-dropping moment when defendant John Jonchuck walked into a Pinellas courtroom. He looked drastically thinner than his last court appearance. Sources tell Fox 13 Jonchuck has lost about 100 pounds while in custody.
Mr. Jonchuck has a right to be present for that.
Jonchuck has been at a state hospital getting treatment for his mental health. For years, he was found incompetent to stand trial, meaning he didn't understand the serious charges against him or the legal process and how it worked. But now doctors say his competency has been restored and is ready to go to trial. It was back in January of 2015 when Jonchuck was accused of throwing his 5-year-old daughter, Phoebe, off a bridge. Jonchuck's defense team will ask a jury to find him not guilty by reason of insanity, arguing Jonchuck didn't know right from wrong during the crime and didn't understand the consequences of his actions. Today, the defense was fighting to keep the term psychopath from being used in the trial because they feel it will prejudice a jury against their client. Dr. Peter Burston, a licensed psychologist, said there is no way to avoid it.
Guys in prison, generally speaking, have a certain amount of psychopathic features, but they wouldn't be classified as prototypical psychopaths.
And when it comes to proving insanity, it's a tall order.
There's no test that will tell you, no legitimate test, that will tell you whether someone is legally insane or not insane. When I say test, some sort of psychologically developed test.
Jonchuck's legal team also doesn't want the jury to hear that hypothermia was a contributing cause of little Phoebe's death. Testimony that will no doubt be difficult for any jury to stomach.
And after hearing testimony all day, the judge denied both of the defense's motions, which means the word psychopath will be used in the trial, and the jury will hear about hypothermia possibly being the cause of death of little Phoebe. Keep in mind, this trial starts on Monday, Mark, is expected to last 4 weeks. Back to you.